Hi, M6078. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, hello, I'm Ma'am Sir. I am Marjorie Nang. I'm 34 years old. I'm happy married and I have two kids. Each of two kids is 10 and 15 years old. And I am Catholic.
Okay, and your highest educational
I'm
attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm helper from start 2017 and 2021 and 2024.
Okay,
I could take care of 4 years old, and then the couple, they have three and the family.
okay, and other household chores that you do.
I'm cooking, I'm cleaning and washing.
Okay, so you are the one who do the household chores, but you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
But my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have an experience for almost 6 years on the different employer, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have also a children which is 10 and 15, so you know how to take care of a baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the baby first, the tummy, and then the diaper if it's this full, and then if they hungry, and
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can to make the baby stop to cry, it doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call the mother or the father, the babies, and then I tell them the baby is not stopping crying
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the country is safe, and then high salary, and then the people is good.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my until 10 years if the client is want me.
So it is okay to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
Okay, but it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will reading the books or the cooking book, and then watching YouTube, or I will try to ask my client to um, I will learn the cook.
Okay, so you will ask your employer to teach you.
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If your employer's family or one of them don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Um, Mom and sir, please hire me because I'm a people, and I'm a kindness to your children, of your part of your family, and then I do my best, and I promise.
Can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Marjorie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.